Liam Carter wasn't supposed to be at that bar. Asterisk, it had been nearly 3 years since he'd lost his wife in a car accident. Since then, his world had shrunk into a careful rhythm of work, daycare, pickups, reheated dinners, and bedtime stories. He was a mechanic by trade, a father by heart, and a man who had long put his own needs in the back seat. Asterisk, but that night, his sister had insisted on babysitting. Just one night. Liam, go, be a person again. Asterisk, so he found himself at O'Malley's pub, sitting alone, swirling a beer he wasn't really enjoying. Asterisk, that's when she walked in. Asterisk, Celia Wren entered like someone who didn't need anyone. Asterisk, sharp-tailored suit, purposeful steps, eyes scanning the room, not for fun, but escape. She was the kind of woman Liam had only seen in magazines, polished, driven, untouchable. Asterisk, but tonight, she looked tired. She sat one stool away. Liam didn't plan to speak, but something about her loneliness mirrored his own. Asterisk, rough day, he asked, keeping his tone light. Asterisk, she exhaled like she hadn't breathed in hours. You could say that. Asterisk, thus began the strangest, most comforting conversation of their lives. Asterisk, Celia didn't tell him she was the CEO of Rentec, a billion-dollar tech company. She didn't mention the board pressures, the media scrutiny, or the partner who'd recently betrayed her. Asterisk, instead, she listened to Liam talk about his daughter, about changing diapers, fixing cars, and trying to remember what sleep felt like. Asterisk, he made her laugh. Genuinely laugh. And she made him feel like he mattered, like being a dad was more than just survival. Asterisk, no numbers were exchanged, no promises made. Asterisk, just two tired souls, colliding quietly in a corner of the city. Asterisk, chapter 4. The next night, asterisk, Liam went back to the bar. The next night, half out of curiosity, half out of hope. He hadn't been able to stop thinking about her. Asterisk, to his surprise, she returned, not in her power suit, in jeans and a sweater, hair tied up, vulnerability etched on her face. You're here, he said. I didn't want to be alone, she replied. Asterisk, that night, they stayed until the bar closed. Their laughter was softer, their confessions deeper. She talked about being raised by a father who never said, I'm proud of you. He talked about losing a wife he still dreamed of. Asterisk, neither was looking for romance. Asterisk, but both had found something else, something real. Asterisk, 2 weeks passed. One morning, Liam's daughter, Rosie, came home from school bubbling with excitement. Asterisk, Daddy, a fancy lady came to our class and gave us all new tablets. Liam's heart skipped. Later, he saw the news headline, Rentec CEO donates tech to underserved elementary schools. Asterisk, Celia hadn't just visited, she had watched Rosie from afar, spoken to her teachers, saw where Liam came from, and still came back. Asterisk, that evening, he found her waiting at O'Malley's with 2 mugs of hot cocoa. Asterisk, I wanted to know what made you, she said. Asterisk, they weren't opposites. As one might expect, they were equals, both survivors of their own storms. Their bond wasn't flashy. It was built over quiet coffee shop chats, school pickups, and shared silences that said more than words. Asterisk, one night, as they watched Rosie perform in a school play, Celia whispered, you don't know what you've given me, Liam. Asterisk, he looked at her, confused. Asterisk, you made me feel human again. Not a product, not a brand. Just Celia. And he realized, she wasn't saving them. She was saving herself. 2. Asterisk, months passed. Asterisk, Liam never asked for anything from her. Not her money, not her status. He only offered consistency, trust, and the kind of love you show in small, quiet ways. Asterisk, Celia brought him the world he never imagined. Not in wealth, but in belief. In reminding him that good men deserve good things. 2. Asterisk, one rainy night, as Rosie fell asleep in Celia's arms, Liam finally said it. Asterisk, I never believed someone like you would choose someone like me. She smiled. Then maybe it's time you start believing. Asterisk, in a world obsessed with status and image, the greatest connection still happens when 2 broken people find peace in each other. Asterisk, sometimes you don't need fireworks. Asterisk, sometimes you just need one bar stool, one smile, and someone who finally sees you.